My Lords, Bar Association approaches this Honorable Court in the rarest of cases which relate to judicial independence or the legal profession. So, my Lords, we are coming on two issues which are already engaging the attention of this Honorable Court and also of the legal profession, my Lords. But
So, appears to be a very innovative idea.
yes, ma'am.
Nowadays in technology it can be well done.
Absolutely, my Lords.
But ultimately, Mr. Kumar, you will have to, we are not sure what you will have to do. Maybe that you have to include all the law universities.
My Lords, we have implemented University Grants Commission because it can be.
But all the law university may not be associated with the University Grant Commission.
My Lords, AICTE may be there because now IITs have also started administering, so we can implement AICTE as a part.
Universities may not be required at the moment. I
Yes.
feel universities may not be required at the moment. I'm also for BI only. But Lordship may just see the larger issue.
It appears to be that for any coordinated effort to be made in this direction,
That's right.
you will have to. Not sure about, there is no other mechanism. You have to include ultimately the universities, law universities, compelling them to disclose, notify the list of all those bona fide law graduates from those universities.
My Lords, if I may suggest, before we do the entire exercise of implementing every university and all, let us have a supplementary policy paper on what are the ways in which it can be
Understandable.
addressed.
That initially
Just
this
something
exercise,
further.
you need to first develop a module kind of thing.
Yes, my
And then for effectivity, then you need universities.
Absolutely, my Lord. So what we'll do, we'll try to submit a mechanism before this Honorable Court, because otherwise, if every university is implemented and all, it will become very unwieldy, and the entire purpose that this reform should be carried out will get very delayed.
Consider, keep it in opening to next week of July.
My Lords, in the meanwhile, we'll submit a supplementary policy paper on the issue which Lordship has.
You may submit from your side, you give a proposal, and then we'll see what can be done.
And my Lords, we have also sought an interim prayer that there was a committee already constituted on this issue. So we don't know what is the latest status
No,
in terms of verification.
don't depend on
That
them.
report can be called for, my Lords, in the meantime.
We will let them appear, and then we'll see. Maybe that we have to constitute a new committee and new composition.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, but
That would be required. Otherwise, if had they done
yes, 3 years.
timely and effectively,
My Lords,
this
23.
crisis would not have come.
Yes, Not but this register part which we have, the Bar Association proposes, page 12, the prayer. It's a novel concept.
We will show you some of the samples. What kind of nasty comments, statements are being made, and we are quite sure that they have nothing to do with law.
Yes.
They are all backdoor entry.
And my Lords, the other issue which is there about the digital code of conduct, because what is happening when lay people make comments, it's a different thing. When an advocate makes it, it in public mind sanctifies something.
No,
As professionally.
advocates normally are very responsible. And particularly they know law, they know their responsibility. They are professionally very.
Absolutely.
The first thing they learn is the professional ethics. So they will not indulge.
So
Who
that
are doing it, that is the something. And who are those who defame the profession also? They
absolutely.
may not be really professional. They may not be, in fact, actually the member of the enrolled even advocates.
That is why both these issues have been combined by us, because both speak to each other. But at the same time, some updating of conduct is also required, code of conduct, because people should, even lawyers should have a guidance which are the permitted.
You see, the best way is to strengthen the young members of the bar. Unless they are secured a space in profession, unless they are really periodically trained, bring into the mainstream, given some space in the overcrowded courts, these problems will arise.
So
First thing need to be done is we must encourage the young lawyers, and we must bring them on the forward front side.
Yes,
And
Lord.
they should take
What
every
has been
responsibility.
happening today from the morning we are sitting in the court, and we are seeing that actually happening. And
Youngsters.
the only thing which we are saying is a kind of a guidance in which, do's and don'ts are also there. So we are not just saying prohibit this, prohibit that. We are also saying what are the dignified, exceptions by which advocates can come to social media, put certain things, but what are the boundaries of that? Because youngsters need that kind of guidance.
Let's see. Our entire hope lies in the young members and the
It's not
future
an
generation of
adversarial,
lawyers.
it is a collaborative enterprise with all the bar councils, bar associations, and all. This is the spirit we are trying to move forward.
Lord, the digital.
That some of the high courts, the young lawyers have formed very constructive their associations.
That's true.
Yes.
They organize lectures, they invite some academia, they go for very good healthy discussions on legal subjects. I myself, I know because I've been actively associated with them, and I do encourage them. I know in many high courts they are doing,
Yes, fine.
and even district courts also. And that is what the silver lining is there. That is what the not only ray of hope, but rather a very confident scenario that emerges.
So very good stream is there. We just have to channel it to the right direction.
Obliged.
Let's see.